Hey folks, this is David from 60 Second Designs, and today I'm going to be covering the Swatches panel. The Swatches panel allows us to create and save colors, tints, gradients, or patterns. We can find this panel by navigating over to the top of our screen and clicking the drop-down button labeled Windows in the top toolbar. From there, we can then select swatches. Alright, so now with our Swatches panel open, we can preview some of the colors, gradients, and patterns that Illustrator includes by default. To create our own swatch, we simply need to click on the New Swatch button found in the lower right corner of the panel, which looks like a plus sign. From there, a new dialog box will open, which includes options to change the name, color type, color mode, and sliders which we'll use to adjust the values. After clicking OK, our new swatch will then be added to the library. To apply a swatch to a shape's fill or stroke, simply select the shape and then click on the swatch color icon within the panel. In order to remove a swatch from the library, simply click the Delete button in the lower right corner of the panel, which looks like a trash can. And that's all there is to it. Remember to like and subscribe, and if you have any questions about the Swatches panel, please post them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching!